Expat Connector membership develops connections with our monthly webinars and our strategic business solution meetings. We have offerings in a variety of topics and time zones. For those of you that can't attend live, we have a replay in our webinar library. Your company is listed in our membership directory. The membership directory is searchable by non-members. It's out there live on expatconnector.com. Our essential membership is to attend our online connection opportunities, read and watch our blogs, and attend webinars to strengthen your knowledge. Business owners that want to build connections, their reach and credibility, our Premier membership would be the best fit. As a Premier member, you have access to entering blogs, video or written, and presenting at our webinars. We will host you for the webinar, provide graphics for you to promote on social media, and be there to lead you. You also, if a live webinar isn't something you're interested in, you can still post webinars that we'll put up in our webinar library. They could be the 45-minute segment like we're hosting for our live webinars. It might be a 5-minute video about tips and tricks, a 10-minute video, 20-minute, whatever suits you and the information that you want to share. We rotate open blogs that are searchable by the public in different areas. So this will increase your keyword search ability and your brand on Google and other search platforms. Blog entries reinforce that you're an expert in your material. With both memberships, you have access to our membership directory where you can search out other members that have a tool you need, or to connect and build your network and learn about their business and support it.